Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name's Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go on the lot and I'll show you one of our certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go take a look. Here we have our 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It has a clean Carfax report and comes with power heated side mirrors, removable convertible top, roof rack, side rails, and much more. When the itinerary includes mud, rocks, or sand, this all-American Bulldog is the champ. This Jeep has upgraded to 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire with tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Jeep is in great condition. It has full automatic aero composite LED low and high beam headlights, along with fog lights, a brush guard, LED light bar, 2 tow hooks, and iconic Jeep emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Jeep has 4-wheel drive, and it's estimated the driver receive an impressive 18 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget this Jeep only has 17,148 miles on it. At the back of the Jeep, you can see the antenna, removable back window, and rear wiper, along with a spare tire, tow package, large brake lights, and tow hook. Looking into the cargo area, you see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features durable floor mats, lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice this Jeep has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use cup holders as well as seat back pockets. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome metallic accents. Drivers feel very comfortable in the adjustable heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Jeep also is equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and an auto dimming rear view mirror. This Jeep has a very comfortable tilting and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home for your media and navigation features and paired with 8 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio and CD player. It's MP3, satellite radio, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using auxiliary port. You also have large climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Thank you for watching. Again, this vehicle is Sparks certified, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 mile complimentary recommended service. It also includes 160-point quality inspection by a Toyota certified technician, lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thanks for watching.